Hey guys, this is Kendrick here. Today I'm gonna show you um, a little bit description and a walkthrough of my app, My Housemate. It's a residential management application for iOS device. It's compatible with iPhone 4 or any devices that run iOS 7 onwards. Now let's get to it. Now, first of all, we're gonna go to the app and open it up. So as you can see right now, how does this screen show up? The only way that the screen show up right away is because I've already logged in as a user. So let me log out and show you from the start what will be happening. Alright, so this is the login view. Every user, when they first use this app, it is required for them to register or sign up an account, and they only require a few simple information in order to set up the account. So let's quickly get this done. For me, I'm just gonna add a very generic, just for testing purpose, name, email. So username is metest2 and password is metest2. Sign up. It would not take long to register with the cloud. Oh, I forgot to mention that you guys gotta connect to the internet before all these operations can be carried out. Remember that. Connect to the internet. Alright, so I haven't handled what happened after I finished signing up, or the sign up process has been successfully done. So in my case, I'm just gonna close it, but internally, knowing that the process has been carried out successfully. Now, with that in mind, I'm gonna use the exact username and the exact password I just signed up with and log into the My Housemate application. Once again, the login view hasn't had the event handler for a successful login attempt. So I'm just gonna quickly close by pressing X. But in the next release of this app, all the operation will be automatically done, which means when you finish signing up or finish logging in, you would be redirected to the right page. Okay, for now, we just go with what we have. And now, let's see what we got. As a brand new user, you've got two properties already in place. These are the two sample properties that I already added to the data from the beginning. So all the newly created user would see these two properties right in front of their face without having to do anything. So in order to create a property for yourself and only and it's only visible to you. Press plus on the right hand corner, and from this view, this is the add new property view. You can basically add a photo to swiftly illustrate how the property looks like from the photo gallery available in your phone or device. You can probably take a camera, use the camera and take a photo and save it to the gallery and use that photo to depict what the hell looks like. I'll just say this is a flower, say flower garden. Be imaginative. Think out of the box. This can be, from us, address us, landlord, nature, mobile. I have no idea. So let's just put 000. Don't try to call it, otherwise you're gonna get caught. Policies. What else? Say comma separated by a comma to signify that this is an array string, because the field was set up as an array string, and all the data would be split into parts and display in different rows. Otherwise, it would be one whole long string, and nobody can do pretty much anything about it. Come, see, and go. Don't think too much about this. We are just making as an example, just out of the top of my head. That's all I can think of. All the data is uploaded to the server and updated instantly to the main property view. So if you're unsure about that, you can just touch and pull down until you see that and you release. So that loading symbol in the middle of the screen would indicate that it's loading something from the server, but at the moment there's no new data to update, so we're good to go. Now I would like to introduce you to the sidebar menu. Okay, there are a few different links underneath the your housemate title. So this is essentially the same page. So in case we were diverted to a different page, this menu would always be there for you. You can access any page, anytime, anywhere. So TalkMate is a future feature that I'm not working on just yet, but I am having a concept now in my head, so it's gonna be legendary. About this app would be some paragraphs describing me and what is going on. So this is my diploma project in 2015, which is this year, and I explained some of the technologies that I used in the project, some of the tutorials, and resources that I had a chance to look at, utilize, and implement on my projects. Sorry, project. This project. And thank you. And a thank you note to all of you who is watching this video. I'm really pleased, and it is my honor to present this to you all. Your feedback would be in the future would be the contact forms for you guys to actually leave a feedback, and from your end and from my end, I'm gonna receive it, and hopefully can figure out how to implement your suggestions properly. But I would always welcome any feedback. If it's a problem, if this is an issue, if there's a suggestion, anything, anytime. Go ahead, man. Don't be shy. Boys and girls, just leave me something for fun. Just go crazy right there. Now, log out would help you to log out. Self-explanatory, right? So when you log out, you cannot see much, I suppose. Let me try. Well, you're not allowed to go to the main view if you're not logged in, which is a good thing. So the app forces the user to log in every time. Now, let me log in as a different account. Ooh, that's the password. Wow. Ooh, hoo, hoo. You guys saw that? Anyways, it's okay. Feel free to use. Alright, as you can see, there's only two properties here. Why? I did add one property earlier with the other account. Why it's not showing up here? Let's see if it refresh would do anything to it. It did do something to it, but this was not the same. This was supposed to be flower garden, and this was supposed to be nature. What the heck is going on? So what is going on is this third property, which I added long time ago, was already here before I added that new property with the Me test account. And this one is only supposed to show up with this account because this account specifically added that project. So the property which is added by any account is only visible to that account. So that's the logic behind it. And that functionality has something to do with ACL, which you guys can look up later. That's a very cool feature, so you should look it up and try it out yourself. Plus button, add a new item, new property in this case, menu button, sidebar menu with links to pages, and a log out button. Oh yes, one last thing I want to tell you guys before we finish this video and get it over with. How to delete a property from the main property view. So we just swipe from the right to the left, delete will show up, press that button, really ready, bright and dominant. Alright, now it doesn't show any changes at the moment Why? Because you have to reload it from the server. That's when all the data is updated, reloaded from the server. Now the item is gone. The property is gone. It's gone from the database. Alright, today would be it, guys. Thanks for listening. Have a great time. Kendrick's over and out.